I'm going to clean this brush. I just used it with red real lacquer, and so I can clean it with either like a turpentine or the traditional ways with oil, vegetable oil. And so the bristles are natural bristles, so it's better to clean it with oil. When you put the bristles in the oil, you make sure you don't touch the side of the bottle or it'll leave lacquer. And gradually the color of the oil that you're squeezing out of the bristles will get clear. It's still slightly tinted red, and if you look on the tissue, there's still some red. So we'll keep on doing that a little bit more. It's better to push with your finger instead of don't pull the brush, because you could pull the bristle cartridge right out. So this is probably about as close as I can get it, even though there's still there's a little bit. I'll try a couple more times. Right up at the top. Okay, so that's pretty clean. And then I wrap it in kind of a plastic wrap to keep it away from oxygen and the oil from drying out. There it is. Okay.